Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, guys, follow the Telegram in order for you not to miss out on any updates. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. And one more thing, click on that bell notification so you will get an instant update. Once I drop an update, instantly you will get the update. Now let's see what we will be expecting on our EURJPY. So this is our trend on EURJPY. We are definitely in an uptrend move. This is very clear that we are trending to the upside. We are having a series of higher, and then higher low. Now take a look at this movement here. If this is our high, here comes the higher low. Here is our higher high. Here is the higher low. This is our higher high. Here comes the higher low. Markets eventually give us an high, and now this is our higher low. So here our next movement will be expecting market to push up and give us a new higher high. So that push up will take out this previous high, thereby forming a new high for us. So EURJPY, we should be expecting a new higher high. But when you take a look at it, zoom it in, you see that market is literally ranging within this level. So there is multiple rejection from here. That should not take us to forward time. So when you zoom it out, you can see that once market drops to this level, they had a bounce. Market reject and bounce up. Market came back to this level. Market rejected, bounce up again. Market eventually came back to this level and rejected and bounce up. So if in case market drops again, which there's possibility to do that, there's a huge possibility that market will drop back to the support level. Reason why is that, take a look at this here. This is a resistance level, right? So this is our first rejection on our resistance, and this is the second rejection here. So this is the first rejection, second rejection, third rejection, and this will most likely going to be our fourth rejection. So be very skeptical around this level, as markets will most likely going to fall from our resistance level down to our support level. So if in case it falls down to our support level, which is fine, you can now start looking for a buy. But if markets push up and break above this resistance level, all you just have to do is wait for your pullback to come to the test resistance, then we'll continue the movement to the upside. So whatever market does, just be waiting for an update. I'll be giving you guys the updates. All you just have to do is click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on any single